Dear friends, today we are working on Ficus pelican. It belongs to Ficus family. This is a beautiful plant to grow into a bonsai. Now this plant is already more than 25 years old. You can see the trunk of the plant, and these leaves. Once in 3 months we have to trim the leaves to keep this plant in a shape. Now it is already overgrown now. You can see haphazard manner of growing the branches and everything. Now we have to give a shape to the plant. It is now covered with long hanging branches. You can see this is the hanging branch, this is long hanging branch. And now today I am going to show you how to give a shape, how to trim the plant. The main today's program is how to trim the plant to keep this ficus plant in a shape. So the first main thing is, first what we have to do, we have to shorten the plant. Now this plant is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves are there. You are shortening up to first leaf. You are shortening up to first leaf. You can see here. This is the first leaf. We can trim down to the first leaf. Like that we have to trim down all the branches and shorten them the. You are cutting down the branches and we will give a shape to the plant. This plant is a fast growing plant, and this can be shaped into umbrella shape, or you can grow this plant on a rock also. And you can see the fused root system here. The main character of this plant is the roots always they will be fused together. As the plant grows, they merge together and they give a attractive look, attractive pleasing look to the plant, as pleasing look to the plant, and then it gives a we can take age look to the plant. Now this is all these roots are merged as the plant is attaining the age. All these leaves are merged. Here the new leaves roots are formed. All these roots are merged. Now here this new root system is forming, and keeping this root system root as it is, and after some time this will also merge with the main trunk system, root system, and it will give a nice look to the plant. Now actually this plant is another plant going outside, already tried one. Now we can cut down the leaves. Here we are sharpening the branches up to first leaf. So by doing that one, there will be a growth from the behind the nose. Now there are when we cut down up to first leaf of this branch, and there will be now these are the roots, nodes from the plant. These are the nodes of the branch, and there will be growth from these branches, from these nodes, and there will be a compact look of the branches. There will be a padding of the branches here. That's why always we have to cut down up to first leaf of this branch. So then will be proper growth on the plant here now. Always the branches, they start growing from the nodes. These are the nodes. This is the nodal point of the branch, and this is the nodal point of the branch. Always when you are stopping the growth here, I'll show you. when you are stopping this new bud, this is the new bud, we are stopping the, by removing that one, we are stopping the growth here. And now this backside nodes, they will become active, and there will be a growth from the nodal point. There will be a probability of growing more branches from the nodes. You are shortening the branches now. This is the long branch here. It is going outwards, so we are shortening it now. As I told you, there is a branch at the nodal point of the leaf. This is the branch, and we are shortening it. When you are shortening it, here I kept the two leaves because the distance between the two leaves are near to one another. If you study, there is a if you see this one, the space between the nodal point from one node to second node. If you see this here, I will show you. If you see here, the distance between one node to second node is more here. One node to second node, it is more here. The distance is more. Here the distance is very less. The leaves are near to one another. That's why I kept two leaves over there and allowed more branches from the backwards. Now this plant can be grown from the branches also. There is no need to throw them away. You can keep these branches by applying the root or hormone to the branches here, and we can grow them as another plant, another African plant now. This is growing tall. Here coming this side, from the back it is coming toward this side. We are reducing this length, and here this is going down. We are cutting down here, and there are more leaves here. See down, these two branches, they are coming downward, they are growing downward. There is no need to keep them. We can shorten them. If you see here, this is growing tall and there lengthy. This branch is lengthy, then we are shortening it. You can see this is the lengthiest branch. Still we can reduce this one. Here also we can reduce. There is crossing over of branches are there. So we are removing the crossing branches here. This is growing down. This is lengthier by shortening this plant. Because lack of sunlight, these branches are growing tall and tall underneath the another branch. Now this is our plant now, with after ramification and cutting, pruning and restyling the plant. At least 3 times a year we have to do cutting, pruning depending on the growth of the branches. Now I will supply this plant with nitrogen fertilizer. After finishing of this ramification, we will keep this plant in the open sunlight area and allow this plant to have growth, more growth and will supply with the nitrogen fertilizers. Thank you friends for watching video. Take care and meet again in the next video. Thank you.